everyone, welcome back to MJ Bib's blog, and good afternoon here in Italy and good evening in Philippines, and hello all over the world. So for today's video, my dear beloved friends, is I'm gonna show you what I bought in the market here in Como Centro, Como Center. So today I went there in Como Center. Actually, I want to buy a jacket for the autumn season, like in Italiano is like a caputo, il caputo, but it's like a jacket, or it's like what we call it, I forget, a blazer jacket, but it's a blazer jacket, but it's very thick and it's good for autumn season. But I did not find there because I'm kind of looking also the price, because I looked the blazer jacket for autumn season is a very expensive price in market. So I did not buy. So that's me, my dear friends. Once I go buying something for myself, number one I'm gonna be looking is the price. This is number one I'm gonna be looking is the price. It's for myself. So I don't like to buy expensive things for myself. Much more I like to buy a simple things, like not totally expensive, as a wiser to using the money to buy or to spend money. So I did not found a cheaper blazer for autumn season. So let's see, jacket, or in Italiano is caputo, which is blazer jacket, but I did not find it in the market. There is a lot, but it's super expensive, my dear friends. I'm looking like a very good deal prices. So now it's another thing that I bought, not a blazer jacket. So I'm gonna show you what I bought, because today it's a Thursday. There is a market in the Como Center. So what I bought, I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! Another bag of him. I have so many bags. My husband teasing me all the time because I have so many bags on my cabinet, armario. So my husband teasing me another million bags. I don't know why. Every time I'm going around in the market or the store, I'm number one, I'm gonna be attractive, either bag or shoes. Instead of, I wanted to buy a blazer jacket for autumn season, but it's, of course, it's very expensive, so I did not buy. So I'm attractive with the bag. So I bought two bags, which is a very good deal. I asking for discount in the market. As a Filipina, of course, as a Filipina, we need to we need to ask a discount also, so to making wiser to spend the money also. So here a bag, another bag I bought. It is also useful, this one, because especially every day we're going out with me and my baby, so very useful, this one, this kind of bag. I can do shoulder bag, I can do like this kind of bag, especially it's autumn season right now and then upcoming winter season. So it's important that my bag for going out is in front of me, or either in my backpack. But this one is very important to be in front, especially wearing a jacket right now, or wearing a blazer jacket. So bag is always in front. So this is the one I bought. Another bag. My husband taking me already. And then another bag I bought also. This is a new design, a different kind of design of bags. Possible this one with backpack, that you put this one in the back, or it's also possible this one doing in front also, as you can see. Like this, you can also put in front. You can also do a sling bag, whatever you like, whatever you want to put this kind of bag. Possible also doing like this, possible also doing like this. So this is the bag I bought, and possible also doing in the backpack at the back, like this. So I was looking this one, but it's nice because the strap of this bag is super nice, my dear friends. I can also using this one in a different kind of bags. So yeah, this is the two bag I bought, black and the gray color. So I'm sure my husband gonna be teasing with me because I have so million times of bags on my cabinet. I have so many bags, but I always keep changing and changing bags. In our cabinet, Amadio is very full of bags. Instead of dress or clothes, it's bags. It's full of bags. So this is the bags I bought today in the market. There is two packet only, one and two. And this one is, I'm sure there is a pocket inside, but two zipper. It's a two zipper. Yeah, there is a pocket inside also. So this is what I bought for today in the market, and I do asking a discount, and I have do a good deal for discount of this bag. So yeah, no need to have a very expensive things or a very good branch bag. I don't need for that. I like more simple bag, so no need to be a famous branch for the bag, so I don't need it. So look, there you go, I found this bag. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Bye bye.